Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see detailed demonstration how to create Pinex trading account, how to invest your money, how to deposit some money on this Pinex trading wallet. So what exactly process and how many features are available. You can invest money and earn much more as you expect. So what exactly process and what kind of features Pinex platform providing, we can see. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here new tab, and this application is available Android and iOS also. So look at this, just I type in Google Pinex. So pinex.com is available here in this several languages. This platform, this application is available. You just simply click here. I'm putting this link in same video description. You can use my referral code also. So look at this. This is the platform of the pinex.com auto trade cryptocurrency with 12 free inbuilt trading booth. You need some update as a daily perspective, you just simply add your email address here and go to the booth as a free. So they are sending you some trading emails informations and earn much more money. So look at this here, some basic features also available here. Great trade booths is available here like this. You can invest your money, and one of the best example here, suppose for example third party crypto trading application is available. They are providing you payout as a every weekly, but Pinex every 8 hours they are providing you payout, no matter which currency you are asking them to credit your own wallet. If you want trade with US dollar or other currency also, some basic features available here. A sign up application and download application also available here. As I mentioned, like iOS and Android, you just simply download this application, otherwise scan using your mobile camera and very easily reach on that particular location. Several communications options are available. About us, tutorials, some blogs and videos also available. Other YouTuber or the Pinex own website, they are making some video and providing you very small point explanation. You can watch those video. Otherwise support options also available here. So now time to sign up. So how to sign up here? Sign in. If you have already account, you sign in directly, otherwise you sign up. So just simply I click and sign up. Now you enter the sign up using your email address or password, otherwise you can add your mobile number and password. So just I simply sign up here. So and then you just fix this option like properly, this captcha. Now I receive one OTP on my email address, so I just simply see my mobile phone 6741. So look at this, successfully I sign up here. So here three options are available: trade, add the download and deposit the money. You just simply click here and trade the market. So here several options are available: BTC, US dollar, like here some trading options also there. Every minute, every 5 minutes, every 15 minutes, hours, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week. Learn much more good accuracy of this particular trading account. Trading booth is there. So here several other currencies also there: Bitcoin, Moon, Ethereum, and then other cryptocurrency. So then I click here my profile. So little bit I give you awareness of the profile. Here account information. Here is account name is my B Sangram Singh. My username is Sangram Singh. You can change your username whatever you want add. You can add here some pictures also if you like to add the picture. So you can add the picture like this. The pictures available here. Or Google authentication, if you activate two-step authentication, so you can set the authentication like QR code scan and then continue using your mobile application. You can do same process as a mobile application, iOS and Android. Password, email is verify. You need to KYC first of all, so verify the KYC. So how to verify KYC? Fill the personal information here. Fill my personal information like India. I add my first name, middle name, family name, and I upload here my password. I just uploaded here password number and here password size photo, like drag pictures, click upload and front page document if you choose before. So now I upload here my passport picture. I upload here my passport here and then submit. It's needed to KYC 1 or 2 working days for the like a Saturday and Sunday is off. Just suppose for example today is the 1st of September, I apply. So 2nd and 3rd is automatically verify of my KYC, and then I can very easily tackle this process. Like here is in process options are come, As a referral perspective, you use my referral code, this one. I am putting this referral code in my video description. You just simply click on that particular link, as you also earn some money and I also earn some money. Some here token test is available, which types of understanding of your investing money perspective. So that point of view, they are providing some question answering here. Token test is available. You just read very carefully and submit the option about your. Otherwise you can follow my instruction. First question, second, and first option you select and then submit. Otherwise you read carefully and then submit it. I am a pass through the next process. Just submit this one. So everything is completed here. Two-step authentication. I can use my mobile application and then do KYC is working process. So here all account is set up of mine. I just deposit some days ago $500. Total profit is a 0 because of I am not investing anything. You just simply comes here, deposit money, and deposit your money on that particular wallet. Withdraw your money accordingly. You add here your bank address, how much you withdraw, and then submit. So automatically the money are withdrawing. Specific location, then transfer. You want transfer some money for this one to someone, so accordingly you use this one option. Now I invest some this balance and some other task. So here in the last option, if you are creating your account, you send the referral key of your friend. So here is option, your profile and referral program, and you copy this link and then share with your friends. It's quite simple, and total invitations are display here and how much you earn using those invitations. Now we can invest some money of this particular trading account. So here is a market, some Bitcoin, some cryptocurrency is available here. Here is the price of this particular cryptocurrency, flat price, and 24 hours volume is this. So we can say just like here BCT Bitcoin, and now here trading booth or manual. So I just simply create here trading booth 24/7, buy or sell high, like you can understand here, buy or sell high. So we create here, now create, and how much money I invest, $180 T. Continue, create successfully. My order trading booth are display here. I am buying 2 shares. Profit and loss are displaying here. So look at this, here is my balance is automatically deduct, means like I invest all money, so I earn some profit. So display here in a profit. Now is a 0.0 is a minus going on. I invest my all money, just remaining $1. So you can create account, invest your money using this process, and that one is quite amazing for the Pinex. Rest of application, you can create your account, make a system, and buy some cryptocurrency using Pinex application or Pinex platform. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.